how to get trending funny sounds to add to your comedy videos. Now, you see those sounds that you find in videos that make videos very interesting to watch. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you where you can get those funny sounds and how you can download them onto your phone. Now, if you're not following me yet, follow my page, like this video, share to your friends, comment in the comment section if you have any question at all. Now, follow me, let's go. Alright guys, so simply go to your browser and type www.myinstance.com. myinstance, INTANTS, myinstance.com. So already it's showing me options here, so I'm going to just click on this. Now they've opened up. Okay, see all of them. You see trending in Nigeria, my instance trending in Nigeria. See all of them. These are the ones trending in Nigeria even. See, so like this one, click on this red button, for instance.
Kasongo, yeah, Kasongo. Mombali nanga. Kasongo, mbona wewe.
Right.
Kasongo, yeah.
This one.
Mombali nanga.
Wait this.
What be this? What be this? Jesus.
See this one. See this one. Baby laughing. So there are many. Just look at them. There are so many. Anyone you want. Or you could download any of them. All you need to do is just click on the title. For instance, let's click this at Kasongo. Or let's just take this Waiting Be This sound. You click on Waiting Be This. Okay, as soon as it opens like this, you scroll down, you see options. You see download MP3. Click on download MP3 and wait for it to load. Alright, as soon as it loads, you see something like this. See save. Depending on the kind of device you're using, you see save to your device. So just click on this save button. And then it will ask you whether you're saving to file or to drives. So I'll click on files. Then I'll click on save. As soon as I've done that, that's it. It has saved. I can open it to view it. You see it says download complete. So opening. So you can see it's saved in my device already. So right now, from any part of any website, if I'm to add any sound and I search for Waiting Be This, I'll find it and then click on it. So guys, in the next tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can actually add these sounds to your videos. So if you like what we're doing, please like this video, share to your friends, comment if you have any question in the comment section, follow us if you are not following us, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.